Hey, I'm your financial guide. Here's the secret. Earn more, spend less. That's it. Thanks for watching. See ya. But seriously, that plan only works if you're a soulless robot. We aren't robots. We have hobbies, we have desires, and we have those sins that cost money in the modern world. So, since I'm as human as you are, let's talk about how not to get lost in this concrete jungle without selling a kidney. Yours or someone else's. Just kidding. The reality check. First thing, look at your bank account. If your income covers all your joys and leaves room for the future, my job is done. Turn off the video. But if not, then we have a problem. The second thing people often fail to do because they're afraid is to reevaluate their skills and their work. Ask yourself, what do I know? What can I learn to get a promotion or a better paying job? You might ask, should I change my job? The answer is yes, but only if you are easily replaceable and stuck in a place you hate. Use the job like it uses you. Here's my advice. Use your job exactly the same way it uses you. Stay there, but become a sponge. Learn everything that could be useful to you later. How are the documents handled? How do they deal with clients and suppliers? Learn what makes a good client versus a bad one. Understand the inner workings of the company you're in. Once all that is done, and you know the business so well you can do it in your sleep, that is when you take the third step. That's when you go where you're truly valued, or you become your own boss. In today's world, power lies in information. If you've become an indispensable gear, the boss will be ready to pay more. And if he's an idiot, a competitor definitely will. And if there's no competitor, you've learned enough to become it yourself. Starting small. I hear the comments already.
But I have nowhere to start.
You don't need a factory or $1 million. Start with small clients in your spare time. Big bosses don't care about the little guys as long as the total profit is green. That's your gap. Find the small clients' complaints. Find what they hate about the big company and fix it for them. Nowadays, people crave human connection. Large corporations have lost it. That's where you win. Learn everything you can. If things truly go south, your knowledge is what will save you, not a debt or a surgeon's knife. Keep your kidney, build your value. See you in the next episode.